Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create ONErpm account. In case you don't know, ONErpm is actually a music distribution service platform that allows you release your song on any music streaming platform such as Spotify, Apple Music, Boomplay, and more. Alright, so the ONErpm music distribution service platform is very easy to use. Alright, so today we're going to learn how to create an account, so let's get started. Now the first step you have to do guys is to head to a browser, and then you have to go to ONErpm.com. So once you're on ONErpm.com, the next thing you have to do, as you can see right here, there's this login and join option at the top right corner, and also you get the join ONErpm option right here. So just go ahead and click on join ONErpm. Now once you click on that, as you can see, you can create a ONErpm account using your email address. Alright, so just go ahead, enter your email address and create a password. So just create a password here and repeat the password again here. Then after that, click on these checkbox to confirm that you're not a robot, and once you're done with that, click on create. So once you click on create, a code will be sent to your email address so that you can verify your email address, and that's it. That's simply how you can create an account on ONErpm. And remember to check this box as well, alright, to agree to ONErpm terms of service. Right, so that is it. So you can also choose to create an account with your Facebook, to create ONErpm account with your Facebook. So as you can see, there's an option down here. You can just click on the sign up with Facebook, and if you have a Facebook account, you can just do that easily. So it's just as simple as that. Right, so that's how you can create an account on ONErpm. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more. Right, if you want to learn more about how you can upload your music on ONErpm, or your music video or your album, right, so I have some videos I'm going to add at the end of this one, so you can just click on the playlist and engage with the content. Alright, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.